Hi, I'm Sharvari and you are watching me at NDTV Lifestyle.
This lovely Pankaj and Nidhi outfit, how do you feel in it? And how do you think you could style it up for the festive season?
I'm feeling super happy, super confident actually in it. Also because I really love their collection this year. I think I would style it. I love this jacket, and I think that this jacket can be worn even on a lehenga. And I think that that's the best part about this look, that you can just style it in such different ways, and it's so versatile.
When it comes to like festive golds or silvers, which metal do you prefer? Are you a gold girl or a silver girl?
I'm a mixed metal girl.
And what is your personal sense of style like?
My personal sense of style is just easy, fun, young.
What would be your go-to outfit this festive season?
I think festive season, I would love, I love lehengas, and I think that when it's Diwali, everyone really dresses up. So I think lehengas or saris would be beautiful.
Okay, and what is the one most comfortable ethnic outfit that you would like blindly just pick?
I think that, palazzos and kurta is the most comfortable outfit.